Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your NoiseCanvas watch to your phone. First, you'll need to download the official Noise Fit application from your smartphone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Before starting, make sure your NoiseCanvas watch has at least 50% battery life to prevent any interruptions during the pairing process, ensuring a smooth initial setup. Next, activate Bluetooth and location services on your smartphone. Then, open the Noise Fit app you just downloaded. You'll need to either log in with an existing account, perhaps using Google or Apple, or quickly create a new one. Grant any necessary permissions the app requests to ensure smooth operation and full functionality. Once logged in, navigate to the device section within the Noise Fit app, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device or Bind Device to begin the search. Your app will then search for nearby Noise watches. Select your NoiseCanvas from the displayed list, or if prompted, scan the unique QR code shown on your watch's screen to initiate the pairing. After selecting your watch, a pairing request will appear on your NoiseCanvas screen. Simply confirm it. Once connected, the app will guide you to complete your personal profile, including details like height and weight, which helps with accurate fitness tracking. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and watch and ensure they are within 10 meters of each other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.